Glow Up Sol presents Easy Do-It-Yourself Water-Based Moisturizer for oily and acne-prone skin that won't clog your pores or cause breakouts. It is true that oily skin has a different set of needs than normal skin. If you have oily skin, you may notice that your complexion can appear dull and dry. Some people believe that because they have an oily complexion, they don't need to use moisturizer at all. However, if you do not moisturize liberally on a regular basis, then your skin will get even more oily. A daily moisturizing routine for oily skin pays off in the long run and will keep your skin acne-free. A water-based moisturizer is always a great option for acne-prone or oily skin because it doesn't clog pores. Let's take a look at the ingredients that you will need to make this water-based moisturizer for your oily or acne skin. What you will need: 4 tablespoons of pure aloe vera juice, 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, half tablespoon of argan oil, 1/4 tablespoon of watermelon seed oil, 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, 3 drops of lavender essential oil, amber dropper bottle for storing your moisturizer, and a smaller funnel. Directions: add aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, and argan oil to your amber dropper bottle before finishing up with watermelon seed oil according to the measurements. Now add the essential oils, but if your skin can't tolerate essential oils, you can totally skip them. Make sure the lid is closed. Shake well to make sure that everything gets blended together. Take a few drops of your ready-made moisturizer onto your palm and rub your palm to warm it, then apply on a clean face both day and night for faster and better results. What makes this moisturizer the best is because it contains aloe vera juice, which is going to balance the pH of your skin, reduce oil on the skin, tighten and shrink pores, seal moisture into the skin, fight acne, and many other benefits. Every skin type needs the right routine to keep it healthy. Having a skincare routine that suits your particular complexion will have beneficial effects on your appearance, like keeping it more radiant and youthful. Please try this DIY water-based moisturizer and come back to share your results with others. If you found value in today's video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend who's suffering with oily or acne skin so they can fix their issue, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos that are coming. Also, what video should I make next? Please share your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching.